Okay, another day of gala. Good morning guys. Ay, hindi na pala. Good morning pa rin. Time check. It's 10:04. At pupunta na naman kami. Gagala pala. Gagala na naman kami sa Hekla naman. Hekla, Manitoba. Another road trip, another keme. Okay guys, so see you later.
One eternity later.
Hi, we're here. Taray. Hi. Pero 20 minutes pa. Hi, Ate Kaylee. May car ha? Akala ko sa inyo, Tiray.
Oh, wait. Do you know? Galang-gala na naman po.
Ang sapatos yung pagkakarami. Dahil panggala.
Pang-aura. Okay guys, andito na kami. Saan? Lakeview.
In 400 meters, keep left at the fork.
Resort. We're here na sa room. Wow. Wow. Washroom. Yan ang washroom. Hi! May dala-dala akong challenge. Saan ka? Nasa no? Wow! In fairness, maaliwalas. Ay! Ano? Walang kaibigan.
Kain muna tayo.
Woohoo! The view is the jungle. Ay, and then sa super dulo pala tayo, no? Ang layo. Then, nandun yung lake. Ay, wait. Aray ko. Nandun yung lake. There.
Alam mo yung nagkukwentuhan kayo, friends?
Yes.
Parang alis ng stress. Ito yung pinagkita doon sa picture, di ba?
Sa dulo.
Kahit sa amin, dulo.
Ay, tira yun. Picture.
A few moments later.
Punta kami sa swimming area. Sa pool area. We're going to swim. Gonna check in. Room 2141. Okay.
We do have a towel shortage because of the water problem that we've had. So
Okay.
it's going to be a little bit for you to go back here
Yeah.
and grab some towels.
Okay. Okay, yeah. That's it. Thank you. It's okay. Thank you. Where is the what? Wow.
Parang ganyan din ang sa aircon. Nasa labas.
Hot water siya. Wow.
I never stop to see you cry. I never listen to your tears and praise. Oh no, I never stop to see you try. I never